Hi, today I'm going to make hazelnuts. Very easy to make. A beautiful addition to any arrangement or bouquet. Materials required are crepe paper in green and brown, a thin wire, thick wire, some cotton wool, green floral tape and tissue paper. All the measurements are in centimeter. This is the stencil for the husk. This is 11 by 4.5. Cut one piece. This is for the husk covering. This is 4.5 by 4.5. Cut two pieces per nut. These are of the leaves. The smaller leaves is 6.5 by 5.5 and the bigger leaf is 11.5 by 10.5. Cut as many as you like. From the tissue paper, cut a small piece, just about this much. Take the cotton wool. You should comfortably form a ball of about 2 centimeter diameter. Take the tissue paper and just cut off the corners. Like so. Apply glue all around. Put this in the center and just collect the edges. Like so. Take the strip for the husk and in the center just collect the paper together, crushing it a bit, and then just twist it at that point. One twist and spread out the paper. So just sort of curve it. Like so. Try to get rid of these. Now apply glue on the edges. Put this in the center like this. And just make sure that all the paper covers the ball. Like so. Take the covering for the husk and first just make cuts on these at random. Now just stretch the paper, the center, and then very gently stretch these individually and sort of twist them so that it opens up like so. like this. So this also I'll just open up. Now just apply glue. And put this just at the same height as the nut. Just wrap it around. And similarly for this one also. So I'll just apply a little more glue. On the opposite side. Like this. So take another thin wire and the leaf, and this should be just about covering the whole of the leaf like this, and a little more extra. So now just take the green floral tape and wind it on this. Like so. Now take the leaf and just score lines on it. Like this. Turn it over and just apply some glue in the center. And stick this wire on it. And let it dry. So after it has dried, just stretch the edge. And just stretch the center at different points. So this is how it will look. I've made another one in the same way. You can even sort of bend it if you wish. So I've made a small bunch. Put them together and put the smaller leaves on it, because this shows not ripe hazelnut. They're not ripe. So now just take some green tape and put these. First take one, wind the tape a bit. Then take the next one. And then the third. Wind them tightly. Bring the tape down. Then I'll take one big leaf and then just attach it right below the buds. You can attach a smaller leaf if you wish. Then I'll attach these. and then the second big leaf. Like this, and then just open them out. And this is how the branch would look.